Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest skincare products on the market right now, the Yellow Peeling Oil. If you're looking for the best body whitening peeling lotion, this might just be it. Stick around as we uncover everything you need to know about this revolutionary product. Alright, let's jump right into it. The Yellow Peeling Oil has been making waves for its ability to transform dull, uneven skin into a radiant, smooth canvas. It promises to gently peel away dry, darkened skin, revealing a fresh layer that's baby soft and noticeably brighter. Sounds impressive, right? What makes this product stand out is its powerful yet safe formula. Packed with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, licorice root, and chamomile extracts, it's designed to exfoliate without causing irritation. Whether you're dealing with fine lines, acne scars, or just want to rejuvenate your skin, this oil claims to do it all. Applying it is straightforward. Simply use it on clean, dry skin and let it work its magic. Within days, you'll start noticing your skin naturally shedding its old layers. Remember, it's crucial to let the peeling happen naturally to avoid any damage to your skin. So, what can you expect? Users rave about visible results in just a week of consistent use. Imagine smoother, more even-toned skin with reduced dullness and roughness. It's like hitting the reset button for your skin's appearance. Plus, it's suitable for all skin types, whether you have dry patches, oily areas, or a combination. This oil is designed to address various skin concerns effectively. Let's talk ingredients. Hyaluronic acid and vitamin C not only aid in exfoliation but also deeply moisturize, leaving your skin feeling supple and hydrated post-peeling. It's a win-win for those looking to maintain skin health while targeting specific problem areas. Here's how it works. The formula accelerates skin cell turnover, shedding dead cells and promoting the growth of new ones. This process is key to achieving that coveted youthful glow we all strive for. Now, you might be wondering about safety. The Yellow Peeling Oil emphasizes safety precautions like patch testing for sensitive skin. Always follow the recommended usage guidelines for the best results and to avoid any adverse reactions. Wrapping it up, if you're serious about transforming your skin and achieving that radiant, even tone, the Yellow Peeling Oil deserves a spot in your skincare routine. It's accessible, effective, and backed by a growing number of satisfied users. That's all for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful product reviews here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care of your skin and stay fabulous.